Hi guys! This is my first video of 2018, I think, or maybe the second. That's how long it's been since I posted a video. But I'm really excited to be here with, oh man, it's probably really echoing in here. Oh well guys. Anyways, I'll catch you guys up in another video with like the new background and what's going on with all that good stuff. But I'm really excited to be here to give you guys this video. It's gonna be a series. I don't have a name for it yet. If you can think of a good name for my channel's cooking series, let me know. But I just want to say I hope you guys enjoyed this video. We are making vegan jambalaya today. It's super easy, super tasty, and I hope you guys try this recipe. If you do try this recipe, let me know what you guys think about it. If you think there's something that I can add to it, I'm always up for suggestions. So please feel free to give me suggestions in the comments is what I'm trying to say. Go ahead, if you haven't subscribed to the channel, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Give this video a thumbs up if you like this video. So before I start rambling on, which I think I already have, let's just get into the video.
And for our ingredients, we have vegan Italian sausage, brown rice, cilantro, diced tomatoes, white onion, and we have some celery, olive oil, bay leaves, vegetable broth, and we also have some garlic and jalapeno, and that's paprika back there and sriracha. After turning our pot on about a medium-high heat, we're going to add the olive oil and most of our veggies basically. So now we're adding the jalapeno, the garlic, and then we're going to add the celery. And now we're going to add a little more olive oil. And now we're going to add the onions. Stir, 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 stir. Okay, so next we're going to be adding the diced tomatoes. And as you'll see, I am definitely struggling here. Tomato juice was everywhere. Oh, that's okay. Pretend you didn't see it. Okay, and also I forgot to let you guys know that in the description box, I will have the exact recipe linked. I got it from Pinterest, so I'll have the link down below. There I'm adding the brown rice. And now I'm about to add the paprika. Boop. And then after the paprika, I go ahead and I get the sriracha added on in there. And keep in mind, if you would like for this recipe to be more spicy, add more sriracha. You can up the paprika and up the jalapenos. If you don't really like spicy food like me, you can just, stick with the amount that's going to be in the recipe. Now we're going to add a little black pepper. There's no specific amount. Here you can add salt and black pepper, but I just chose to add black pepper. Now we're adding the vegetable stock and our bay leaves. That's what it all looks like when everything's in the pot. I'm going to turn it up just a little bit until it starts to simmer, and we're going to let it cook for about 25 minutes and then check on it. In the meantime, we're going to get started with our sausage. We're just going to cut those up into tiny little circles. Y'all, please don't look at how I'm cutting this. This is not the best example of how to safely cut with a knife. Please do better. You're supposed to do some other kind of things with your hand. I never got that down. Please ignore how I'm cutting this sausage. I'm doing the best I can at this time with the length of nails that I have. Yeah, so basically we're just going to cut that up into the little circles, and then we're going to add a little olive oil to a pan, and then we're going to brown those up. Okay, so now that our jambalaya has been cooking for 25 minutes, this is our time to go ahead and stir it around some more. And then we're gonna add that sausage that we browned up. And we're just gonna get that nice and incorporated. Guys, this is looking so good. I wish I had some right now, but it's literally all gone. And last but not least, you're gonna get your cilantro added in there. And you wanna add that just before you serve it up. And in the recipe, it says, you know, have some extra cilantro for garnish, but I don't care about garnish, so I only cut up the amount that I needed for the recipe. To each his own. Do you, boo. And this is what it basically looks like before you put it on a plate or in a bowl or however you want to eat it. I serve mine always with cornbread. Stay tuned for the next video and I'll show you how I make my vegan cornbread. Now it's time to eat. Enjoy!
Okay guys, so I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Give this video a big thumbs up, subscribe, share with your friends, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye guys!